Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nishithav and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a haul. I'm going to show you all the products that I got from Sephora during the VIB sale. I have so many products. I did a lot of damage to my bank account. So yeah, let's jump into it. So first I'm going to start off with two hair care products that I got. One is from the brand Briogeo. It's their Don't Despair Repair deep conditioning mask. I really love this mask. I use this I wash my hair twice a week, and when I once in a week I use this mask. Once I shampoo my hair, I apply this mask and I wait for 10 minutes and then I rinse it off. This has reduced the breakage in my hair significantly, and I really love this mask because it makes my hair look really healthy and shiny, and all the dryness that I had in my hair just went away after I started using this. So I really love this mask, and I got this big jar because I know I'm going to use this. I'm going to make a good use of this one, and I even make my husband use this product. So I really love this mask, so that's why I got this big jumbo size during the sale. And next product that I have is from the brand Olaplex. It's their number 3 repairs and strengthens hair perfector. So you're supposed to use this before you wash your hair. First you dampen your hair, towel dry it, and then you apply it from roots to ends. And then you're supposed to shampoo and condition as usual, which seems like a tedious process, but this had really good reviews on Sephora, so I wanted to try this out. But looking the bottle in person, it seems a bit expensive for the quantity that you're getting. I think this was around $35 or something, and you only get 3.3 fluid ounces, which seems a bit expensive, but I want to give this a go and see if this is actually good. All the products that I'm gonna show you guys, few of them I tried before and I ran out of them, so I purchased again during the sale. Few of the products that I've never tried before, so I'm going to do an update of this video. I'm going to try the products that I got during the sale. I'm gonna update you guys and tell you guys if the products that I got are worth the money. For today, I'm just going to show you the products that I got. So those are all the hair care products that I got. Then I got quite a few skincare items. First, I'm going to start off with the Drunk Elephant brand. This brand is so freaking expensive, but so many people rave about this brand, so I wanted to give this a try. The first thing that I got is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. So this claims it's a high-tech AHA-BHA gel that resurfaces dull, congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells, dramatically improving the appearance of texture, uneven tone, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The results are greater clarity and luminosity practically overnight. So I used this 2 times since the day I got this. So a few weeks back, I went on Phoenix Pride Parade, and this stupid girl that I am forgot to reapply my SPF throughout the day. So I had I had a lot of skin burns on my nose, and the skin was just peeling off. So I used this 2 times, I believe, 2 times in a row. It did remove the dead skin off of my nose. I don't know if it's this product or they just went away because it's been a while since I got sunburns. But this seemed to work really well. It did remove all of my dead skin. When you apply it, it makes your skin feel really smooth and glowy. But before I say that it's totally worth the money, I want to keep using this for a while and tell you guys if it's actually worth $90 that I paid for this. This is smaller size. This is only 1 fluid ounce. There is I guess 1.7 fluid ounce, that is around $160 or something, I believe. I'm not sure, but it's an expensive product, so I want to try out more before I make my opinion about this. And the next Drunk Elephant product that I got, it's their Sukari Baby Facial. So I wanted to try this because this is supposed to be an at-home facial product. So this next generation mask is an at-home facial that effectively yet gently exfoliates the pore lining and gets rid of built up dead skin cells. So you're supposed to use this 1 to 2 times per week. I didn't get a chance to use this yet. I'm going to use this and I'm going to do an updated video. Then I'm going to tell you if the Drunk Elephant products are worth the money. I didn't order all of them because I wanted to try one product at a time and see if they're actually making a difference to my skin. And the next skincare product I got is a mask. It's the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I wasn't initially gonna buy this, but then two of my cousins wanted me to test this out. They wanted to see if this product is actually worth the hype. So that's the reason I ordered this. So I'm going to try this and then update you guys as well if it's actually worth the hype. And the next product that I have is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Concentrate. I am running out of the one that I'm currently using. I really love this eye cream. This is the only eye cream that I see some difference in my dark circles. And I'm running out of my current one, so I wanted to buy one more since it's the sale time. And I really love this eye cream and I totally recommend it. So I have this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So it's a nourishing facial cleansing balm that erases makeup and gently lifts away impurities caused by pollution. It leaves the skin hydrated and silky smooth. So I used this once. I did a really good job removing all of my makeup and removing my eye makeup as well. I don't like using face wipes to remove my makeup. I used to go in with my cleanser twice just to remove all my makeup, and then I would go in with my Foreo Luna 2 cleanser. So I wanted to try a cleansing balm. So I heard this has like so many good reviews on Sephora, so I thought I would give this a shot. So far it works really well. I'm gonna have to use it a little bit more to see how much I actually love this one. And the next, so those are the skincare products that I got. Then I got one face primer. This is the YSL Touche Cloud Blur Primer. There's so much hype about this this primer. So I wanted to give this a try because this is such an expensive primer. So I was waiting for the VIB sale so I can purchase this and see it for myself if it's worth the money, because it's very expensive and I haven't used this one yet, so I'm going to keep you guys updated on this one as well. And then I got few foundations. The first one is the Dior Forever Perfect Makeup Everlasting Wear Pore Refining Effect with Sunscreen. I got the shade Ochre. I think Jaclyn Hill is the one who really raves about this foundation, so I wanted to give this a try. And someone else also commented on my video saying that they want to see a review on this foundation, and I also wanted to check it out for myself, so I'm going to do a full-blown review on this video. So if it's not already up yet, I'm going to upload it soon, so please keep a lookout for that. So next I got the Cover FX Custom Drops. This is in the shade G80. So I got this because so many people love this one as well, and this is something that you can mix in with your moisturizer and make your own tinted moisturizer. You can also use this in conjunction with your other foundations if it's summer and if you're tanned and none of your foundations match you. You can use few drops of this in your foundation and change the color of it. So yeah, I wanted to try this one out as well. And the next product that I got is from the brand Makeup Forever. It's their Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. This has SPF 25 in it. I got this product because it's summer and if there are days that I don't want to wear foundation, I can just throw this on my face. It might do a really good job evening out my skin tone. So that's the reason I got this. And I also really love Makeup Forever brand. I really love their Ultra HD foundation. It's my favorite foundation ever, so I'm hoping this would work out as well. And next I got two concealers. One is from the brand Estee Lauder. It's the Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. Tati Westbrook here on YouTube raves about this concealer, so I wanted to give this a try. I got the shade medium. The shade range is not that great, I want to say. I think they can come out with more shades, but for now I got the shade medium. I don't know if this is a good match for my skin tone. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on this concealer as well. I'd be happy to do that for you guys. And then I got one more concealer. It's from the brand Laura Mercier. It's their new Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. The NARS concealer is not working for me anymore. I don't know why. It used to work really well. I used to love that concealer, but lately it's just creasing on me. It feels like too heavy on my skin, so I'm not liking that anymore. So that's why I wanted to try a few more concealers. So that's why I got this one as well. Next product that I got is from the brand Becca. It's their Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Formulated with 50% water, this powder makes skin look awakened and fresh upon application. I mean, it's such a weird feeling. It's actually a powder, but when you apply it on your face, it feels like you're putting water on your face. I like it how it feels on my skin, but as a powder, I don't know how it functions. I'm gonna have to wear it throughout the day and see if it actually works, if it actually holds true to all the claims that they're saying. But just the feeling of this, it's really amazing and unique, and I really like the way how it feels on my skin. And next I got two lip products. This is from the brand Buxom. It's their Wawa Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. Honestly, I do not like these two, probably because of the shades that I got. I got the shade Kiss and Tell and Dare Me. Both of them just don't work on my skin tone. They look really weird on me. Online they look really pretty, but when I applied them, they just don't flatter my skin tone. And the formula itself is not very opaque as I would like it to be. You have to go in with 2 to 3 layers just to get a nice opaque application. I'm not even a big fan of the formula as well. The Buxom lip glosses I really love. They're my favorite lip glosses ever, but these two just did not work out for me, so I'm probably going to return these two. And next I got the STILA Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I got this trio. This came as a set. I believe it was $20 or something. I thought it was a great way to try out different colors, because even if I get a full size, I am never going to run out of this bottle. So it's a great way to try out different colors. And I also got like one more color. I got this a full size. This was not a part of the trio. This is in the shade Gold Goddess. Such a nice gold. I thought this would go really well with any Indian outfits. So that's why I got this one as well. So yeah, I think those are all the products that I got during the sale. Those are all the products that I wanted to try out, and I was waiting for the sale so I can buy them, because most of them are expensive and most of them are not something that I would buy if I didn't have some discount on them. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These are all the products that I got during the Sephora VIB sale. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.